HRC Maintenance and Spare Parts is a suite of user-friendly mobile applications that optimizes maintenance processes by reducing downtime, improving asset reliability, and enhancing the productivity of maintenance workforces. By seamlessly integrating spare parts management into maintenance workflows, it ensures technicians have real-time access to critical parts, preventing delays and minimizing operational disruptions. Seamlessly integrated with SAP ECC6 and S/4HANA, it can be implemented in less than 48 hours, without any additional infrastructure. Benefit from reduced asset downtime, enhanced asset reliability, increased wrench time for your technicians, and overall improved spare parts management. Our solution enables your operators to manage both corrective and preventive maintenance, from the creation of a notification right through to the execution of maintenance operations. Your technicians' day-to-day work will be facilitated by its ease of use on mobile terminals, such as tablets or smartphones. Your repair operations will therefore be carried out more rapidly with the help of our applications, allowing an incident to be reported as soon as your technician notifies it. When an operator notices a malfunction on a piece of equipment, they can create a notification on the go, take a photo, and take charge of the intervention. No more returning to a workstation to enter all the data. The HRC Software Application Suite provides real-time access to SAP data, giving access to all the information needed to carry out maintenance operations, such as operating ranges. In addition, we also offer an offline version of our applications in response to any network issues that may arise in the shop floor. The notification can then be transformed into a work order by the person who will be repairing the faulty equipment. The Maintenance Order Management application will enable operators to process the order directly from the shop floor. By creating applications dedicated to inspection rounds and calibration activities, we offer several alternatives for processing work orders, depending on their scope. In fact, we have chosen to split our solution by activity to better match the needs of the business. However, maintenance operations can be confirmed using a more comprehensive solution. To facilitate the processing of work orders, HRC software also offers applications for managing equipment, technical stations, and measuring points. We also carry out technology monitoring to meet our customers' needs in terms of IoT connections, equipment localization, and remote assistance. Our applications are designed to make daily life easier for team managers. They enable them to easily distribute work and monitor progress, and offer rapid visibility of activities to be completed within 5 days. Let's take the example of the order confirmation application. The first screen of this application displays a work list for maintenance operators. They can then change this work list using various search criteria, such as workstation or order type. They can also save these criteria by using a default variant, as proposed by SAE in various transactions. When opening the work order, the operator has visibility of the operation confirmation status and can go straight to confirmation. The application can display more details about an operation, including the sub-operation, tools, components, and confirmations already made. Access to attachments linked to the items on the work order is also provided. On confirmation, all the user has to do is enter the duration of the operation and type in a confirmation text. The technician can then check that the confirmation has been made via a success message and the vibration of his tablet. Consumption of maintenance order components is also enabled by direct access to the goods issue application. Indeed, the Maintenance Suite features several links to store management applications to help technicians perform tasks more easily. Our solution also offers the possibility of searching for reservations according to a maintenance or production order or a cost center. Let's take a closer look at the functional coverage of our store management application suite. Using these applications, storekeepers can manage their stock, from purchase requisitions to goods issue. Our applications have been designed with the user in mind and are therefore intended for use on industrial mobile devices or smartphones with easy handling. With these applications, the warehouse worker can easily receive merchandise and even take pictures. They can edit the photo and then go and arrange the products to better match reality. We also offer the possibility of updating the location entered on the item sheet. Once these stocks are in store, they will be taken out for various reasons, such as their use during maintenance operations, as we mentioned earlier. For the inventory process, we also have applications for creating inventory documents and conducting counting operations. This can be done with our integrated calculator or with features such as repeated scanning of the item's barcode to increment the count. In addition, warehouse staff will be able to access information on their locations and items through our Display and Do applications, designed to provide details on specific objects. Let's take a closer look at this application, which lets users scan the item in front of them. This app is built around 3 tabs: one for displaying available quantities by store and location, another for displaying the equipment linked to this item, and the last for viewing the item's documentation. It offers a range of actions, such as picture taking, and can be used for other spare parts management applications, such as goods receipt or inventory counting. As you can see, our applications are designed to provide your operators with a list of tasks for their daily work, as close to the field as possible, whether it's to enter their intervention reports or to alert breakdowns or problems on industrial installations. Our applications enable them to enter data in real time, in connected or offline mode, without having to go back to their workstations and walk miles in a single day. The integration of complementary applications, such as attachment management or search aids, has also been designed to provide operators with access to essential data, which they can use in their day-to-day work.